Hello travelers, welcome to our YouTube channel. This one is one of the best attraction of the city. I suggest you to stay in nearby hotel if you want to enjoy your day here. Our travel experts have created the list of best hotels nearby to this wonderful location of the city. Watch the complete video to finalize the hotel for your comfortable stay. This one is my best among the complete list. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have a better listing or suggestion for a hotel nearby to this location, feel free to give your feedback in the comment area. Please check out our latest video uploaded for you and a video that you may like. Once again, please subscribe our YouTube channel.